If you look at this question, this is one more important question. Theta is lying from minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. This is recorded. Now, what is given in the problem? The element in the S will satisfy this equation. 2 cos squared theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Everybody should know one thing. You will not be able to solve an equation with different trigonometric terms or different trigonometric angular frequencies. Here the frequency of angle is linear, that is clear. 1 theta only. If it was 1, 2 theta here, another is theta, then you have to convert 2 theta in terms of theta. You have to break that double angle. So we can say cos squared theta can be written as 1 minus sin squared theta plus 3 sin theta, that is equal to 0. So I can say 2 minus 2 sin squared theta plus 3 sin theta, that is equal to 0. So what we'll do, we'll divide by minus 1. When we divide by minus 1, what do we get? We'll get 2 sin squared theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2, that is equal to 0. So we know that shortcut method for solving quadratic equation, sum is minus 3 and product will be minus 4. So which is nothing but minus 4 and plus 1, correct or not? Minus 4 and plus 1. So your value for sin theta will be equal to invert the sign of factors and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term, divide by 2. So sin theta will be equal to 2 and minus half. But we definitely know that the value of sin theta will always lie between minus 1 and plus 1, right? So this value cannot be the answer to the question. 2 has to be neglected because sin theta always lies between this range, minus 1 and plus 1. So your answer for sin theta should be equal to how much? Minus half. So sin theta is minus half and theta belongs to this particular interval. So the elements in S, therefore the elements in S will be equal to, see, sin theta is minus half. This implies to me that theta is equal to minus pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6 also will lie in the fourth quadrant. Answer will be negative. Then answer minus pi plus pi by 6. Answer will be minus pi plus pi by 6 or pi plus pi by 6 will be an answer in the third quadrant. Answer will be negative, and answer will be negative if you do theta is lying between minus 2 pi and plus 2 pi, right? So and then minus pi plus pi by 6, if you see, what is this? Minus pi plus pi by 6, answer is how much? Answer is minus 5 pi by 6. Minus 5 pi by 6 is minus 150. Minus 150 is in the, minus 150 is 360 minus 150, right? Answer is not in the first and second quadrant. So definitely these are all the values which will satisfy minus half when theta belongs to minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. So sum of elements of S. So S will have the following elements. What are the elements? Minus pi by 6, 2 pi minus pi by 6, correct? 2 pi minus pi by 6, pi plus pi by 6, and what is it? Minus pi plus pi by 6. Now when you add all the elements here, sum of all the elements, what will you get here? Minus pi by 6 plus 2 pi minus pi by 6, 2 pi minus pi by 6, and then plus pi by 6, and then minus pi plus pi by 6. So what is the answer that we get? Minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled. So what is the answer left over? The answer that is left over will be how much? 2 pi. This will be the answer to the question.